Notion is a vast program that amazingly can fit in a mobile. In this video, we'll explore this app. So, let us begin. If this is your first time, you'll need to sign in. I'll tap on Google to quickly do that. This is the home interface. On the top are the recently opened pages. Then are your favorite pages. After that are all your notes. You can tap those three dots to make a page your favorite. Then are team spaces followed by shared pages. You can tap on any to open it. The top section has your account options and you can add a new account. From here you can access your team members, app settings and deleted pages. The main navigation is at the bottom. This is the search icon to search for text. Then is your inbox where you'll find reminders, comment mentions and more. The last icon is to create a new note. Tap on this icon to create a page now. This private is where the page is added. Tap on it to add this page to another page. You can pick a template as well. Hundreds of free templates are available on Notion and you just have to find the one you need and hit the use template button to copy it and start working. Let's add a title now. If you swipe down a bit, you'll find a few options. We can add an icon to this page and it will be visible everywhere. This page is about books, so I'll add a book icon. We can add a cover that will also be visible in multiple places. Notion gives a random cover, but we can always change it. We have the default covers, an option to upload our own, copy images from the web and the unsplash option to find free images. When you are in the page body, a new row appears. This plus icon contains all the Notion blocks. These things make Notion amazing and confusing at the same time. We can pick one and add it. Let's say I pick heading 2. Then I can choose a list and add items. This way we can add images, tables, databases, embeds and more. The row has the basic text format options. Select a text to see them all. We can bold text, underline it, italicize it and more. Or tap this icon to see them when nothing is selected. The row also has a comment icon to comment in the current block. Type something and use the @ sign to mention someone in the comment. Commented blocks are underlined. However, Notion is not all rainbows. It has a reputation for being an unresponsive app. For example, I uploaded a picture and it just kept uploading. Notion supports searching for page titles and text within notes. Type whatever you want here to find results. One thing I've noticed is that it does not show the results of the text that I've just typed. So if the text is not coming up, give it a few minutes. Another topic that comes to mind is AI. Notion AI can do many things including summarizing content, changing tones and fixing grammar mistakes. It can generate text as well. Let's say I ask it for some productivity books. Here we go. We can then insert this text, replace existing text with it and do other things. The interface is not great as we don't have much room to work with, but it works and I'm glad it does. Databases are one of the pillars of Notion and we can add and edit databases normally. For example, I have this big database that handles my car dealership business. We can swipe horizontally and vertically to access all the columns and rows. Open a database to see its options and edit its content. Also, if you have multiple database views, tap here to change the current view. It's almost like the desktop Notion but smaller. Find stuff in the database by tapping this search icon and putting in the keyword. It will find the text in every cell in the database. Sharing is caring and Notion has a few options. We can invite people to work on it. Here's my partner and I can just tap on the name. Or insert the person's email address. We can also adjust the level of permission. Other permissions are below. To publish this page on the web, go here. Notion will create a live link to share with anyone. People can open this note in the browser without even having a Notion account. The page settings are also on the top. We can adjust the font, undo and redo moves, customize it, turn it into wiki and do other things. Duplicating a page makes a copy of it with the same title. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Take care.